What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here?
I don't know what it is, but it's phenomenal.
All right, people, we're going to try something a little different today.
I cannot solve your problem, sir. Only you can.
Am I missing something?
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers?
I want the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Don't mess with the bull, young man. You'll get the horns.
The reality is, humans are humans are humans, and that's never going to end.
No, I do mind. The dude minds. This will not stand.
It's a big, big deal.
Hello. You speak English, sir? Parlo usted inglés?
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
I've done the math on this. We've talked about it on this show before. That's a fact.
You'll learn a little something about yourself.
That's us, dude.
That's why we're radio show hosts.
That's right.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. The dollar buys a nickel's worth. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the street, and there's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't want you to write to your congressman because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about inflation and the Russians and the crime in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad.
Let's do this.
Discussing issues that matter to you. Finding real answers using logic and reason. KLZ 560 presents Rush to Reason. Now, here's your host, John Rush.
All right, now I'm your host, John Rush, Rush to Reason, KLZ 560. Cassie George, our intern with us today. Dan Tanner filling in for Dan Meurer as well. And up right now, it's our Monday Mortgage Minute with Kurt Rogers. Kurt, welcome to Rush to Reason.
How are you guys today? Great topic you're talking about.
Oh, I'm glad I don't have little kids.
So am I.
Gee whiz, Kurt. Now, I got grandkids, but, all I can do is advise the kids what to do with the grandkids, and other than that, it's up to them.
It is up to them. If we didn't teach them good enough, it's up to them now.
Yep. All right, so talk to us about the mortgage world and taking cash out of your home, because I know there's folks out there that are thinking about doing that. Is that a good idea?
Well, when you sit back and think about it, if you want to do some upgrades or you want to pay off some debts, where can you borrow money under 4%?
Nowhere.
So, yeah, with the home values going up, you've got the opportunity to take the money out and pay off debt that's a higher rate or do some home improvement that you can't get construction loans for, and you don't have to go back to a 30-year mortgage. If you got 24, 26 years left, you can customize that loan to fit, still get the cash, and more than likely, because of rates, lower your payment.
All right, one of the things folks are always thinking about is, Kurt, John, how do I save some interest money? Because nobody likes paying interest. It's sort of like, way burning money. No offense, but you basically are paying back the right to borrow that money in the first place. That's how the lender makes some money. But how can you save money on the interest you would normally pay?
Well, the simplest way to do it is if you just throw an extra $100 or $200 a month on a mortgage, you're going to cut off the interest. Most 30-year mortgages are compound interest, which means they re-amortize every month. So when you look at your financial statement as if you borrow $300, you pay back about $240 in interest, the easiest way to get rid of that is at the beginning by throwing a little bit of extra money on it, you can cut it back.
Right.
The other way, as you know, John, is the asset manager all-in-one loan.
Right.
So where you make your money work for you, and you, without changing your spending habits, you pay about $100,000 to $120,000 less in interest.
Because you're letting that money actually make money for you rather than just paying interest on a monthly basis.
Yeah, it's not sitting in the bank doing anything. It's now working for you.
Right. All right, talk about the special offers you've got going on right now as well, Kurt.
Well, right now we have a special. Anyone who does a loan with us and closes, we give you a $300 gift card to either Home Depot, Lowe's, or Bed Bath & Beyond. And at the end of the event, we are giving away $1,000 either in cash, 3 nights in Breckenridge, or a 55-inch TV.
Okay. Sounds like a good deal. How do people get a hold of you?
720-895-0500, or they can go to aimortgage.net.
All right, and are you on Haystack tomorrow?
I'm not on Haystack, but one of my guys is, and he's going to talk about investments, different ways of buying investment properties, and how you can really look for them to make sure they work for you. It's going to be a good show.
All right, perfect. All right, so phone number one more time, Kurt.
720-895-0500.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Have a good Labor Day, okay?